Hello South Africa. Misfiring Kaizer Chiefs start to stay and fight for his place. Kaizer Chiefs are struggling to offload out-of-favour forward Bonfils-Caleb Bimenyimana, who has spurned a move to Ukraine. Caleb Bimenyimana lost his place in the side at the back end of the 2022-23 campaign, with Christian Saile preferred in attack. He scored 8 times in 21 appearances in all competitions, but only once since the turn of the year, in a Nedbank Cup round of 16 clash with Casric. With a year left on his deal, the club is looking to sell or loan him out, but so far no suitable offers have been forthcoming. Caleb is returning to the club after playing well for Burundi in the AFCON qualifier. He is not taking the overseas offer, so he is returning to Chiefs for pre-season. It looks like it'll be tricky to move him this transfer window, a source told FAR Post. Caleb has been in good form, the Burundi Swallows lately, scoring and assisting in a crunch 3-2 win over Namibia. It's a result that leaves them in with a shout of qualifying for AFCON 2023. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Luke for the South African.